Hello, my name is Jim King. I'm the president and COO of Okuma America out of Charlotte, North Carolina. I don't know about you, but in the past couple months, it has been really difficult to find any good positive news. Every time I turn on the TV, there's no matter if it's conservative or liberal, everybody's got their spin, and none of it's positive. So when there's an opportunity to really get some data-driven information that gives you hope, I want to talk about it. Last week, we had the opportunity to listen to a company called ITR Economics. It's a group of economists that over time have used data to forecast the future and have been very accurate over time. Their message to us was that the fundamentals of our economy are sound, and they have an hour's worth of data that'll drive you to a real positive place that everything from retail sales, manufacturing, 8 out of the 9 U.S. leading indicators are in a positive increasing mode. They would be very happy if 5 were in a positive mode. So when 8 are there, they're ecstatic. So I would tell you that from their perspective, the economy is moving in a real positive manner, and there's a pent-up demand. And what put things into perspective for me, they said, so this is the foundation, and what we're in is a self-made a natural disaster. And that really put things in perspective for me personally. Because they said once we're out of this natural disaster, our economy is poised to have a 2-year run, and you better get ready for it. You better start doing the things now that when the economy moves in the positive direction, you're poised to take true advantage of a strong U.S. economy. And with all the reshoring that's coming back from companies, more balancing than 100% reshoring, we see an opportunity for us to really accelerate our sales and profitability for our company. So at our team, we're really, really excited about the future. And I just wanted to share that with you because it's not being reported very often. And as organizations look to the future, I think the future is bright. So from Okuma America, I wish you all to stay safe and take care.